Students, this is the introduction video, chapter 1st, class 8, resource. All things and means which are used to satisfy human wants to objectives are called resource. As you know that our needs such as water, electricity and our vegetables and next textbook have something in common. They have all been used by us, so these are our utility. Now this is the means of utility. Utility means our daily needs. It means quality, our being useful. Utility is also called usefulness. Utility is what make an object and substance a resource. Utility to connect the value. Now you will ask to me, what that ma'am, what is the value? Value means worth. It means the amount of money that something is worth. Value are the motive behind purposeful action. Something resources have economical value, some do not. Some resources have economical value, some do not. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substances into resources. For example, man make boat or furniture from wood. He makes tools and implements of from the iron and cloths from cotton. Come to the next point, classification of resource. Classification of resource, that natural resource, human resource and human made resource. Okay, clear everybody? And some categorized here natural resources are renewability, origin, development, usability and distribution. This is the categories of natural resource. Now, categorized of natural resource: renewability, origin, development, usability and distribution. Renewable Renewability means renewable are the inexhaustible. These resources are always available for everyone. They are not exhausted by human activities are used. Example that solar energy and wind energy. So here is some example here. A apple tree, if you are planted an apple seed, after a while there will be a new apple tree. Renewable resources are important because if you could not plant stuff from other plants, then we would not be able to grow other things. Clear everybody? Next, renewability resource, living resource. Living resource are very important. Living resource is very important to us because they give us food. Some example here, cattle and our plants, trees. If we do not take care of our living plants and animals, then would not be have enough food. Living resources are also called biotic resources. Next screen is non-renewable. Non-renewable are exhausted resource. Non-renewable resources such as iron, coal, silver and copper are important because we need them. For coins, weapons and jewelries, it is important that we use them wisely or else we will run about them. Understand everyone? Next is our parts. Categorized natural resource is fossil fuel such as oil, coal and diesel are very important because if we do not have oil, have would we have gas. Coal fuel power plant. If we do not have diesel, how would we power big trucks and aeroplanes, engines? We should take good care of our natural resources and use them wisely. I hope you had fun learning about the four categorized natural resource. Now, natural resources are other categorized as following. Origin parts. Origin means natural resource may be classified to two parts. Two parts means biotic resource and abiotic resource. And development stage, here are development stage are potential resource and actual resource. A potential resource means uh, these resource are these resource are which are found in reason but have not been put up proper use in present are known as potential resource. And actual resource means these resources are which have been surveyed and whose quantities have been determined properly are for actual uses. These resources are being used in present form. Example that petroleum. And here are some classified of usability. Usability means food articles, raw materials, energy resources. Means food articles means first of all man obtained those resources which were used food, cereals, beverage, vegetables, milk, etc. are example of food articles. And raw materials, different industries are used raw material derived from minerals, vegetations and animals, wool, silk, fur, wood, okay, such as raw material, sugar cane, tobacco, oil sheets and agriculture raw materials. Clear everybody? Next is energy resource. These are categories, classification of basis of usability. Food material, raw material and energy resources. Energy is some from other is used in agriculture, mining and manufacturing, forestry, transport and the communication. Coal, petroleum and natural gases are the exhaustible resource of energy, whereas wind, running water, biogas, etc. are the example of energy resources. Clear everybody? And now the classification next is the distribution. Basis of distribution. Natural resources can be two types of distribution: ubiquitous resource and localized resource. Distribution stage and ubiquitous resource. These resources are found everywhere like air. And next is a localized resource. These resources which are found only in certain places are known as localized resource, such as copper, iron, the water are also example its. And next part, our come to the next screen is human made resource. Human made resource means human by the made by the human. Human made resource means people are natural resource to make building, bridge, road, machinery and known as human made resource. Natural substances can be resources only when their original form has been changed. Basically the aids of production which have been created by human to utilize the physical material of the environment. Technology, capital buildings, agricultural land, manufactured goods, etc. are the example of human made resource. Our political institution in our nation such as Panchayati Raj system in India, rules and regulations in law and property are our investments, open market, etc. are the considered human made resource which are created favorable condition to enhance productivity. As you know that people are use natural resources to make building, bridge, road, machines, and vehicles, which are known as human resources. Technology is also a human-made resources. Now, I will come to the next point. Human resources. Human resources consist of number of people and their mental and physical ability. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have knowledge, skill, and the technology. Basically, the ability of human that help in the transforming the physical material into the valuable resource. Education, health, technology, commitments of make us com- competent for the developing resource, such as known that doctors treat people who are ill and injured, and software engineer provide the information software engineer and provide the information from scientists compare the problem related to the agriculture. And also your teacher also human resource. Teachers increased wisdom, skill, and knowledge among the students. Human resource as a resource. So, next topic is conserving resource. Conserving resource. Full fullness possible use to resource without abuse or without destroying any needlessly. We to conserve our natural environment. It is our duty to ensure that the diversity of life on this earth is conserved. Damage to natural environment is minimum. All use of renewable resource are sustainable. It is very important, hence, these the resources should be conserved and to maintain the ecological balance and the save them for the future generation, because the nature provide with the essential for our daily needs. You know that due to the over pollution population and human ingredients, and we started to the over exploit our resources. If this continue, there will be no resources left for our future generation. Okay, goodbye.